Not sure why cough syrups are still sold to kids when you look at the side effects. I'd rather put something in my kids' bodies that I can actually trust. That's why we use natural remedies instead. Elderberry Boost is made with 6 real ingredients. Nothing artificial, nothing processed. It doesn't just mask the symptoms like those store-bought syrups. It helps your body fight from the root cause. And the good news, kids actually like taking it too. Don't settle for less when it comes to your family.